Hello，大家好，我係 Johnson。我今日好榮幸想介紹一個好新嘅新聞咧，就係講緊喺叫 Angus Glen 嗰個區嗰度咧，會有一個新嘅小學。咁我諗話，喂 Angus Glen 呢個區或者一度咧個校網已經係好多人已經知道 Pierre-Éliott Trudeau 啦。咁其實 Pierre-Éliott Trudeau 咧係屬於叫 high school。咁不過喺小學嚟講咧，佢嘅 feeder school 咧喺呢個區咧係未有嘅，直至到而家啱啱政府已經宣布咗咧，會有一個叫做 Angus Glen South Elementary School。咁我哋而家企緊呢個咧，就係佢哋日後嗰個學校嗰個興建正式嗰個實地嗰個嘅地址啦。咁呢度見到咧，呢個球場咧同埋個校舍咧，會係一個好宏偉嘅建築物。佢哋耗資一個係數千萬嗰個嘅 budget 去起呢個小學嘅。So this elementary school, the Angus Glen South Elementary School, will be a future landmark. As a lot of people know that the Pierre-Éliott Trudeau High School is renowned for their academics, and it has been for years after years. So what that means is that for many families, every generation, they really value and prioritize education. That is why you see all the construction that's around here. And if you take a look at all the low-rise construction that's been built by the hands of Minto and Metropia, this is a phenomenal community. The Unionville will be part of this growing community. We are the only ones that will be building a mid-rise condominium, luxury condominiums for a lot of the Markham residents. It's astounding, it is phenomenal because this offers an opportunity, a very unique opportunity for an elementary school that will be on the same road that leads into the Pierre-Éliott Trudeau High School. It is what we call a feeder system, it is what we call 一條龍服務。喺呢個嘅教學方式，呢個咁嘅配套之下咧，係好多家長係唔需要擔憂小朋友入佢哋去小學，直接升去中學，然之後咧就上大學。呢一個係令到好多家庭咧係覺得一個校區房係可以佢哋安心培養下一代咧，呢個係一個好嘅位置。所以 The Unionville was so proud and excited about this announcement because it really brings a lot of convenience, a lot of benefits for all our families and all residents at the Unionville.